Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us here at Banknote Trading, where we take a look at the US dollar pairs in the Forex market. Today, we'll start by taking a look at Euro USD on the 4-hour chart. And we'll start by looking at the current range. And as we've been saying, it had been making lower highs, lower lows, buyer step back up, approach to the upside. Wasn't able to take out this area of supply, which price is in now, as internally we continue to make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs in some form of consolidation in this area of supply that pushed prices down the last time. So that's where we are now. Currently, could possibly view this as a bull flag as price continues to consolidate in this area. Bullish internally. Swing structure is starting to turn from this overall swing structure, with this being the high, starting to turn, make this the next higher low from the previous higher low, starting to break structure to the upside and start bullish push to the upside. So we're going to see how this consolidation right now plays out. Let's see if this will retrace back any further into any area of demand, but price continues to respond to internally all these demand areas, these sells before buys. GBP USD, let's go map out the current range. We notice what's more bearish, continue to make lower highs, lower lows. Was able to make another lower low once it retraced. So internally it is bullish, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Right now consolidating, just like Euro, in an area of supply, which pushed prices down last time right here. So just like with Euro, waiting to see what happens in this area. Could also consider this a bull flag waiting to break out to the upside, and I'll be looking for it to target the lower high from this overall swing structure. And then we take a look at DXY. Not much movement from yesterday. As we know, price went under this area of support, continue to consolidate. I guess fractal structure is bullish, but no real impulse movement as it breaks structure to the upside, with little movement. Still overall in an area of consolidation. Could possibly look at it as a bear flag, as you see Euro and GBP USD as a bull flag. This can also be forming and having liquidity build under the lows of this ascending channel. AUD USD, let's go map out the current range. Well, this is the previous range, but as we know, AUD USD has been in consolidation, range bound, and now prices at the top of this range. The overall structure, we know the buyers push here, where sellers step back in and push price back down into this overall consolidation. Now internally, we know this is bullish, continuing to push up, broke all the highs, took out liquidity sitting over these highs, making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and now at the higher highs, took out the highs of previous structure, and now we're in consolidation as price continues to push higher out of each area of demand. Expecting this bullish push to continue and to take out the highs of this overall range, but of course AUD not really a trending market until that does happen. NZD USD, let's go back at the current range. See the overall range we're dealing with. We do know NZD continued bearish, another lower high and a lower low. Buyer step back up, broke to the upside, and took out that lower high. So waiting to see how price does when it comes up back to this area. Technically, you can't say this is bullish, And of course, internally, it is bullish, making higher highs, higher lows. You can see structure continue to break to the upside. We're waiting to see if price can continue and push past, like I said, this area. So waiting on most USD pairs. And of course, like we've been saying, you can see this as a ascending channel with liquidity building under these lows. So it's possible the price comes back down, sweeps this liquidity before continuing back up. Then this whole range A to B price leg will be bullish, looking for higher prices. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you for joining us.